Hey, it's Brian Logue with the Anchor Group in Ocean City, and behind me is our newest listing. This is 5018 Asbury Avenue, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, second floor in the heart of the South End. Just a very short distance from the beach. Come check it out. Here in the living room, you have your two sliders to the front deck. As you can see, they've whitewashed the old classic brick fireplace, recessed lighting, and a new kitchen complete with granite countertops, custom cabinets, and of course, stainless appliances. Updated hall bath with new vanity, flooring, etc. At the end of the hallway, you have 3 more bedrooms, including the master suite with the updated ensuite bath. The front deck, of course, is going to be the focus of where you spend a lot of your time enjoying the summer breezes and all that Ocean City has to offer. In the left-hand rear bedroom, you will find laundry and, of course, access to your rear deck to get the afternoon sun.